We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2019 Bmw G 310R in racing red. This is a super fun little bike. It's freeway legal, which is nice. Super easy to ride, really comfortable. This would be a great beginner bike or just a put around town kind of bike. This is chain driven. And this bike also does have ABS. We also have some aftermarket adjustable levers for the clutch and the brake lever. Key is dead set in the center. And we are at 4,630 miles. We're at Biggs Harley Davidson, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.